Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you change your input on an MSI gaming monitor. So here's a guide for your HDMI or DP source select as well as auto scan. Method 1. Using the monitor's menu button. Follow up these below steps. Step 1. Press the navi key or the joystick or menu button on the back of the monitor. Step 2. Open the input source menu. Step 3. Select the input you want to use like HDMI, DisplayPort or USB-C. Step 4. Press the button again to confirm. Method 2. Using auto scan. Step 1. Open the monitor settings menu. Step 2. Find input source or auto scan. Step 3. Enable auto scan if available. Step 4. The monitor will automatically switch to an active device when detected. If you can't change the input, make sure the connected device is powered on. Check that the cable is securely connected. Try a different HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C cable. Restart the monitor and the connected device. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.